Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Aspiration, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Aspiration, download the Aspiration app from your device's app store. Create an account by entering your email address and setting up a password. Verify your identity by following the prompts to enter your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to access your financial overview. Click on the budgeting feature to start setting your financial goals. Select a category for your budget, such as groceries, utilities, or entertainment. Enter the amount you plan to spend in each selected category for the month. Review your total budget and ensure it aligns with your income. Use the Track Spending feature to monitor your expenditures in real time. Check the app regularly to see how you are progressing against your budget. Adjust your budget as necessary if you notice spending trends or unexpected expenses. Utilize the insights provided by Aspiration to improve your budgeting habits. Make use of the savings features to grow your funds while budgeting. Set reminders for bill payments within the app to avoid late fees. Consider linking your bank account for seamless tracking of your spending. Keep your budgeting plan flexible to adapt to any changes in your financial situation. Engage with the community features for support and shared experiences. With consistency, you'll find budgeting with Aspiration enhances your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.